Understanding multiples, factors, LCM and HCF. Hello everyone, today we are exploring the exciting world of numbers. Diving into multiples, common multiples, LCM means least common multiple. Factors, common factors and HCF means highest common factor. We will also cover the step-by-step method to find LCM and HCF and share some fun facts about multiples and factors. Let's dive in. What are multiples? A multiple of a number is the product of that number and any whole number like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In other words, multiples are what you get when you multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let's find the multiples of 6. 6 into 1 equals to 6. 6 into 2 equals to 12. 6 into 3 equals to 18. 6 into 4 equals to 24 and so on. So the first few multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Fun facts about multiples. Every number is a multiple of itself. That is, 5 is a multiple of 5 because 5 into 1 equals to 5. 0 is a multiple of every number. That is, 0 equals to 5 into 0. So 0 is a multiple of 5. Multiples are infinite because you can keep multiplying by larger whole numbers. The smallest non-zero multiple of any number is the number itself. Key point: multiples are used in problems like finding common denominators for fractions or determining when events occur stimulously, which involves the LCM. What are common multiples? Common multiples are numbers that are multiples of two or more numbers. They appear in the multiple lists of each number. Find the common multiples of 4 and 6. Multiples of 4: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Multiples of 6: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Common multiples are 12 and 24. These appear in both lists. Key point: common multiples are essential for finding the LCM, which we will explore next. What is LCM? The least common multiple. LCM is the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. It's used in tasks like adding fractions with different denominators or finding when events occur at the same time. Methods to find LCM. There are three main methods to find the LCM. 1. Listing multiples method. 2. Prime factorization method. 3. Division method. Listing multiple methods. List the first few multiples of each number. Identify the smallest number that appears in all lists. That's the LCM. Find the common multiples of 6 and 8. Multiples of 6: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on. Multiples of 8: 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. Common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48. So the LCM of 6 and 8 are 24 because it is the least in all common multiples. Prime factorization method. Find the prime factors of each number. Write each prime factor with the highest power it appears in any of the numbers. Multiply these prime factors to get the LCM. Example: find the LCM of 12 and 18. Step 1. Prime factors of 12. 12 equals to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. Prime factors of 18. 18 equals to 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2. Step 2. Take the highest power of each prime. For 2, highest power is 2 to the power 2. For 3, highest power is 3 to the power 2. Step 3. So LCM equals to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 equals to 4 into 9 equals to 36. So the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Division method. Write the numbers side by side. Divide by the smallest prime number that divides at least one of the numbers evenly. Write the quotient below each number or the original number if it's not divisible. Repeat with the next smallest prime number until no common prime factors remain. Multiply all the prime divisors and the final row of numbers to get the LCM. Example: find the LCM of 15 and 25. Step 1. Write 15, 25. Step 2. Divide by 5. 5 divided by 15 equals to 3. 5 divided 25 equals to 5. So we get 3 and 5. Step 3. No common prime factors remain. So 3 and 5 are prime and different. Step 4. LCM equals to 5 into 3 into 5. 75. So the LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. Key point: the listing multiples method is simple for small numbers. The prime factorization method is efficient for larger numbers, and the division method is quick and systematic, especially for multiple numbers.
Please like, share and subscribe.